last week, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Malawi, Dr. Lazarus Magath Chakwera, officially launched the Malawi Agriculture, Tourism and Mining Promotion Week, which is expected to run from the 19th of April 2024 up until the 27th of April 2024. So we have a short clip here in which the Honourable Ministers of Mining, Agriculture and Tourism will be sharing with us a little bit more about what the Malawi ATM Promotion Week will be all about and what Malawians can expect to see at the Bingu International Conference Center in the Malawian capital, Lilongwe. So let's stick together and hear what our honorable members of cabinet have to say on these three sectors of the Malawian economy.
Hello Malawi, it's ATM Promotion Week.
Hello Malawi, it's ATM Week.
Hello Malawi, welcome to the ATM Promotion Week, which starts from April 19 up to April 27 this year. We are promoting agriculture investment in Malawi.
From the 19th to the 27th of April 2024, happening at the BICC, Lilongwe, Malawi. We are promoting tourism.
We are promoting mining. When you come to BICC, you are going to see the projects that are happening in Malawi, and you're going to be able to meet those people that are doing these projects. The investors from around the world are also coming.
We will have different exhibitions, fertilizer suppliers, seed suppliers, tractor suppliers, as well as companies that provide irrigation. You also have an opportunity to meet those who have land that you can use to invest in, as well as be in rooms where you can have deals to seal any transactions that you need.
See you there.
See you there.
See you at the Malawi ATM Investment Week.